Now, since we are going through this pandemic, various ways we are trying to cope with it, we are trying to overcome it, but we have to admit it is devastating. So, why don't we try a more spiritual way of handling the situation? As Dr. Wayne Dyer says, every problem does have a spiritual solution. Now, the base is this pandemic is gaining more and more and more power because of the fear energy which we are sending towards it. The more fear, the more pain, and the more we shun away from the virus, we are just allowing it to gain more power. So instead of that, why don't we try to look for the rays of light everywhere? The light of hope, the light of faith, which helps in overcoming this pandemic. What I mean is, there are so many developments that are going on in trying to overpower this pandemic, in trying to eradicate this pandemic. So instead of looking and listening and hearing and sharing messages of fear regarding this pandemic, why don't we change the whole thing and try to look for the rays of hope and faith which are there, but which are still very minimum because we are not focusing on that. One example, in Chennai, you know how vast it is and what a horrible time they are having. Especially in Rayapuram, they say it's a huge place which was really affected very badly. Today, a small article in a paper I read. In Rayapuram, where there were 78 containment zones, it has come down to 61 containment zones now. See, that is a ray of hope. That is a ray of faith. Why don't we look for such light everywhere? And there has been a development regarding the drugs. There are so many things that are going around. So we, girls of Innu, I thought we should take a step towards finding a spiritual solution. So every day we will have one person who will have to do their homework in finding one ray of hope in eradicating this, or one special development that has come in this field to overcome this virus, like what I shared with you today. So we will start with Boss tomorrow. So Boss will have to come with one information to share with us regarding the ray of hope that she had found yesterday, that she had found. So every day before we finish class, we will tell you who the next person is. You can do your work and you can come and share it with us in class. I'm sure, girls, we will be able to find definitely a spiritual way to overcome this. என்னவா இருந்தாலும் சரி, எவ்வளோ உயரமா போனாலும் சரி, கண்டிப்பா கீழே வந்து தான் ஆகணும். அதுதான் நேச்சர்ஸ் லா. அதை கொண்டு வருவோம். We will bring it. We will bring it down. We will bring it down with spiritual healing. I'm sure we can do that. And I'm sure if we all work towards it, we can definitely do that. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் தூரம் தான் healing வந்துருச்சு. Let us just make that light bright. And let there be light throughout the world. Let there be happiness, joy, healing, mental, physical, spiritual, economical, emotional healing. May it all come back. May Mother Earth come back, rejuvenate, revive, and bring glory to all her beings.